Welcome to this step-by-step guide on how to create a landing page on Systeme.io. In this video, I will walk you through the process of mastering the art of landing page creation. So let's get started. If you are new to this channel, this is Online Store and my name is Emmanuel. Please kindly subscribe to this channel. Yes, click on the subscribe button and subscribe to this channel and give me a thumbs up. What I teach on this channel is online money making, ranging from affiliate marketing, blogging, how to create websites, and the rest of them. So if you don't have account on Systeme.io, I will drop the link in the description of this video. Click on that link and it will land you here. You can see, if you don't know what Systeme.io is, this is a platform where you can send emails. So you can see, get the world's easiest all-in-one marketing platform. So if you don't have account on Systeme.io, just come here, click on get my free account, no credit card required. Either you click here or you click on this place. You will be asked to add your email. You add your email here and click on get my free account. But I already have my account. I want to log into my dashboard. Right, let me sign in with my account. Right, this is how your account will look like, because this is a new account. Everything is 000. In today's video, we want to use this platform to create a landing page. And what we want to do that, head over here and click on funnel. Click on funnels. Right, you can see I have this funnel already. To do that, to create a new funnel, click on here, create. Right, you give your funnel a name. Let me just write something like store. You can choose any of these options. So for me, I want to choose this to build an audience, and then you select your own country. So let me click on there and click on save. Right, so I have a funnel created already. So let me click on it. Just click on the funnel here. Now you have a landing page. So the next thing is for us to choose any template of our choice and customize it. So I think I will select this and then come over here. Make sure you are on Squeezepage. Yes, make sure you are on Squeezepage. If you don't know how to do that, you can come here and click here. If it's not on Squeezepage, you have to click on this page here. Okay, you can see here, if you click on thank you page, it will give you another thing. So make sure it's on Squeezepage. So we have already created a Squeezepage. So let's edit our page here. Right, so the next thing to do is for you to begin to customize the look of your landing page. You can customize everything here. Let's say you don't need this image, you can click here to edit, to delete, click OK. If you want to change this text, you can click highlight and then start to type, and you can this button, you can edit this, edit everything here. Just double click here, and if to To change this text, on the left hand side, come here and scroll down. You can change the text of the button here. The same thing with this other button. Now come here, you can clean all and type whatever you want to type. All right, any page you don't need, any section you don't need, as you hover on that section, you see a delete icon here. Just click on it to delete. It's gone. Just click on it to delete. I don't need this. I can click here to delete this section. But if you want to add a section, how do you do that? At the left hand side here, you can see here add section, add row, or you can add columns. So I'll click here like this. I've added a column here. I've added a column here, so I can do whatever I want to do here. If I want to move this column upward, look at this arrow here. As you hover here at the top here, you click on here, it moves this section up. So let's say I want to add an image here or a video here. I can come over here at the left hand side under the element and drag the audio, the picture, and drop here. So from here I can click on here and upload an image from my computer, select, and let's say this one, then click open. You wait a bit for it to open. All right, it's loading. Yeah, our video have been uploaded, so I'll click here, and if I want to write anything, I can drag the text and come here and drop, and I can customize this text to whatever I want. And maybe if I want to embed any video, if I want to upload any video, I can add a section here. I will drag this video icon here and drop it here. So from here, I'll just click here. If I click on here, I will be able to embed my YouTube channel here. Any video here, you just drop your video URL here. But if you want to upload directly from your computer, you click on this arrow drop down and click on upload file. Then from here, you'll be able to choose any image as we did on the video. On the audio, you can do the same thing here. But if you want to upload, if you want to embed through embed code, you can do that like this, and then click on edit code, and then come to your channel. You can come to your YouTube channel. Let's say wanna embed this video here with an embed code. Come to share, and then look at it, embed, click here, and then copy this code, come over to system.io to our editor, and then paste the HTML code, and then save. Right, the video has been embedded here. We have embedded our video here. So what other thing? So after you have done, don't forget, click on save. When you click on save, click on exit. Now it is this URL you will now copy and then share it to your friends or to the social media or to Quora or Reddit or Pinterest, whatever platform you want to promote. You want to promote this product. You know, this quiz page, this landing page is used mostly on to is used mostly to as a landing page. This landing page is used mostly to promote your product, your affiliate links, your CPA marketing links, and the rest of them on platforms like Quora, like Reddit, Medium, and the rest of them, where you cannot paste your affiliate link directly. So you can use this to create a landing page, a portfolio for your product. So friends, that's how to use Systeme.io to create a landing page. If you're new to this channel, subscribe to this channel, click on that like button, and click on that like button, and also you can also use the link in the description box below to sign up on Systeme.io. Without anything, it won't cost you any money. That's my affiliate link. You know, if you use that link, Systeme.io will give me a commission, just few cents here and there. Please just encourage me for me doing this video to show you this thing. Just encourage me by clicking on that link and sign up through my link. So that's all for today. Thanks for watching this video. Till we see in our next video.